Understanding Chiari malformation, symptoms, causes, and treatment options. Welcome to our educational video about Chiari malformation. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with this condition, or if you're simply looking to learn more about it, you're in the right place. Please note that we are not medical professionals, and this video is for informational purposes only. If you have any specific questions or concerns about your health, we recommend speaking with a healthcare provider. Chiari malformation is a condition that affects the brain and spinal cord. It occurs when the lower part of the brain, called the cerebellum, protrudes into the upper spinal canal. This can cause a range of symptoms, including headache, neck pain, and difficulty with balance and coordination. While Chiari malformation is not a common condition, it is important to understand because it can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life. In this video, we'll be discussing the symptoms of Chiari malformation, the causes of the condition, and the treatment options that are available. We'll also offer tips and strategies for coping with Chiari malformation and discuss the importance of support from friends, family, and the wider community. So if you're ready to learn more about Chiari malformation, let's get started. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on our future content. Symptoms of Chiari malformation. One of the most common symptoms of Chiari malformation is headache. These headaches may be severe and may be accompanied by neck pain. Other possible symptoms of Chiari malformation include difficulty with balance and coordination, weakness in the arms or legs, difficulty swallowing, and changes in vision or hearing. The severity of these symptoms can vary from person to person and may depend on the size of the protrusion and the amount of brain tissue that is affected. Causes of Chiari malformation. There are several potential causes of Chiari malformation. One of the most common causes is a structural abnormality present at birth, where the cerebellum is too large or the skull is too small. This can cause the cerebellum to be pushed down into the spinal canal. Chiari malformation can also be caused by conditions that damage the brain or spinal cord, such as injury, infection, or certain medical procedures. There may also be genetic factors that contribute to the development of Chiari malformation. Treatment options for Chiari malformation. There are several treatment options available for Chiari malformation. Medications can be used to manage symptoms such as headache and neck pain. In some cases, surgery may be recommended to correct the structural abnormality and remove pressure on the brain and spinal cord. The type of surgery used will depend on the specific needs of the patient. It is important to work with a healthcare team to determine the best course of treatment for each individual patient. Coping with Chiari malformation. Living with Chiari malformation can be challenging, but there are ways to cope with the condition and maintain a good quality of life. It is important to seek support from friends, family, and the wider community. Physical therapy or rehabilitation may be helpful in improving balance and coordination. It is also important to find ways to manage stress and anxiety, such as through relaxation techniques or counseling. Finding a healthcare team that you trust and feel comfortable working with can also be very helpful. There are also resources and support groups available for individuals with Chiari malformation and their loved ones. While Chiari malformation is not a common condition, it is important to understand, because it can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life. Coping with Chiari malformation can be challenging, but there are ways to manage the condition and maintain a good quality of life, such as seeking support from friends and family, participating in physical therapy or rehabilitation, and finding ways to manage stress and anxiety. If you or someone you know is affected by Chiari malformation, remember that you are not alone and there are resources and support available to you. Thank you for watching our video about Chiari's malformation. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or concerns about the condition, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on our future content.